Friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So yesterday in Bank Nifty we had discussed if Bank Nifty goes below 33,500 then it can come down till 33,300, 33,200. Today we saw a gap down opening around 33,300 and then Bank Nifty remained sideways in a very small range and market is not moving anywhere from last 2-3 sessions. So tomorrow it can be a trending market. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty goes below 33,180 after opening flat, if it opens anywhere below 33,400 and then if it breaks 33,180, Bank Nifty can fall till 33,000 in that case, and below 33,000 it can go till 32,800. But if Bank Nifty goes above 33,400 then it can go till 33,600. Now let's see Nifty. So in Nifty we had discussed if it opens below 15,780 or if it breaks 15,780 then Nifty can fall till 15,700, and since the support was already tested it can go till 15,600. Today we saw a gap down around 15,700 and from there we saw a sharp recovery and there was a trend line here, and by the closing time Nifty broke it and Nifty closed below this trend line. So tomorrow if Nifty goes below 15,780 it can fall till 15,700, and this time the support is already tested multiple times, so Nifty will break it and Nifty can easily go till 15,600 if it sustains for a few minutes below 15,700. But if Nifty goes above 15,850 then it can go till 15,925 to 16,000. Now let's see our today's stock. So our today's stock is HDFC Life, and if you see we saw a one-way move, then a consolidation, and we saw a breakdown in it, and after a consolidation again it has given a breakdown from this range. So you can sell HDFC Life below 539 or you can sell it below 538.50, and on the downside the support is around 527, so 527 will be the target and you'll have to maintain a stop loss around 548. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.